One, two, testing. Okay, thank you.
Is that one for the great-grandchildren, is it?
Right, anybody else come in? No? Well, perhaps we should, oh yes, I was just waiting for a dignitary or two. Coming up. I might as well start my bit anyway. Croeso about, croeso y Goelwer in Tredegar. Welcome everybody, welcome to Tredegar House First Festival. This is actually 35th year since we started. Can you believe it? I'd like to congratulate my compatriot Mo. Since we lost Marcus, Mo's now become my fellow vice president. Mo and I danced and played at the first festival. We were all part of the same dance slide, and we've known each other far too long. Well done, Mo. Junior vice president. Right. My mother used to tell my family that we were descended from the royal Macduff clan, so today I'm all the king you need. And you can swear. And apart from that, I'm positively delighted. Now, I was prepared for there to be heavy rain at this moment, and I was going to tell you that in Wales there's an old saying that didn't used to say it's raining cats and dogs, right? They used to say, look at my crib, my hen bwrw hen ragged at hyn. It's raining old ladies and sticks. That's what it means. So, now then, sorry, I'm just working out what's going to happen now. Is there a gentleman here who wanted to say something from somebody from Latvia? No? Finland, sorry. Is there a gentleman from Finland who wanted to say something? Yes? Will you come up, sir?
Yes.
I don't know what he's going to say, I'm just giving my fingers crossed.
Thank you very much. I'm not going to take up your precious funds for more than 2 minutes, though. I was here with my dance group 20 years ago in the Lisa Pop Dances, and we made a second visit 10 years later. 10 years has passed, that's why I'm here. Yep, because this is all what the pop festivals are about. Right, making new friends and keeping up the connection.
Thank you for inviting me today. I mean, for lots of you will know Newport is twinned with Heidenheim, and for obvious reasons, massive array of colours and lovely people. Newport, as you know, has got a castle in the centre of the city, and we've got Roman Bath and Killeen, as is Heidenheim. So we will continue the friendship and the twinning. It's a privilege to be here and a privilege to welcome everybody, and I hope we've been doing this concert, I think, for the last, folk fest for the last 30 odd years. Let's hope we've got another 30 odd years, as us left here. There's an event going on up in London at the moment, which I'm sure you're all aware of. I chose to come down here because I think you lovely people are doing so well. Welcome to you here.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mayor. Thank you. Oh, right. They've missed everyone. Thank goodness for that. Right, now I'd like to ask our President, the Assembly Member, Welsh Government Assembly Member for Newport West, Jane Bryan, to formally open the festival.
Diolch yn fawr, and croeso i'r Casnewydd. Welcome to Newport, a really warm welcome. And this is actually one of my most favourite times of the year. I think this festival is incredible, and it's so good to see so many people from all over. And we've got a little member there as well who's keen to dance. So I take my cue, I should love so many really wonderful and
Chairman of the board.
Not sure that'll work with two on.
Give it a go.
Don't take mine off.
No, I'll just have to be stuck on the thing,
Right. So that turned into, so no, I've got my parrot, and I've put my rum in the